Okay, this is the highly touted, highly cool and awesome air fryer from, I think I'm saying it right, COSORI?
Yeah.
COSORI, is that how you say it, babe?
COSORI?
Look at this cool, so here's the box that it came in. Open it up, please, babe. Awesome.
Got a little handle.
Oh man, that's so cool.
All their, you know.
Social sites, but this was really the cool part I wanted to show you, was it came,
Yeah, this was just tucked in.
that was tucked in there, and it came with,
Look at that.
hold it down here a little bit, please. So it says, look how cool, I mean, that's a pretty awesome, prepare your kitchen and your appetite. Let's see what's in here.
So there's the recipe book.
I mean, these are
really awesome.
Huge. Yeah, talk about
like,
it. Babe.
this is thick, right?
Yeah.
But then on the first couple of pages, it tells you like, oh, see, for the presets, steak,
Oh, that's
temperature,
awesome.
time, and then, you know, doneness level,
Super easy to follow. Yeah,
So just as like a quick reference guide.
that's
So
awesome.
cool.
That's awesome.
And then there's like different, you know, recipes that you can try out. Wings, pigs in a blanket, all kinds of cool stuff.
That's pretty good presentation, COSORI.
Yeah, and then so this is recipe book, user manual, recipe book. This is thank you and the warranty if you want to extend it. So it comes standard with a 1-year warranty, but you can extend for 2 years.
Pretty cool.
Leave a review, post pictures. Yeah, this is awesome. And
Okay.
then just other tips.
I mean, that's a lot. I don't think
It's
a
a
lot of
lot.
these don't come with this much stuff.
No, I mean, like, it's a
Whoa.
ton of information.
Yeah. Yeah, let's take the bad boy out.
So let's see.
Now, let me know,
Okay.
babe, if it's heavy. Is this heavy to take out? Because I'm sure people want to know if it's
No.
good to transport, easy movement. Is it heavy?
Not heavy.
Not heavy at all? We got our packaging there.
So I believe when I ordered it, there are 2 sizes. This
Yeah.
is the larger of the 2. This is the 5.8 quart.
Okay. Wow, look at that. So easy to follow design up top here. It tells you exactly how to get it going, not to fill it up with oil. What are the hazards? Pretty easy use. You just take the tape off, right?
And then
I mean, it's pretty much plug and play, isn't it, babe?
I'm gonna read the instructions. We'll probably want to wash like the basket before we.
Oh, wait, before you get started, there's plastic inside. Make sure to pull out and separate the buckets, okay? And remove all plastic before plugging in. Cool. Very awesome. I mean, this is a huge, like, this is such a big purpose, like, purchase for us.
This isn't like I kind of expected it to be more plasticky.
It's not though, right? It's like almost like metallic, sturdy. Oh, there's a look at the inside right there. We can peel that off. Sort of. There we go. Fancy schmancy. Holy schmancy.
Say,
Does this come off?
read caution on that. So it's hot to the touch. Do not fill with oil. Do not press button while moving or shaking basket. Oh, because it'll.
Oh, you have to
fall.
unpeel that.
Yeah.
So unpeel that if you can, babe. Awesome.
Oh, and I love that these stickers don't leave any ugly residue because that's the worst when you
Yeah,
get like a
you have
new
to wash it.
product and then you get like sticker residue on it. It looks so bad.
Very clean. I mean, the presentation's very Apple-esque.
Yeah.
Very cool. Very awesome.
Yeah. So we're gonna. I'm gonna.
So
read
this
the
isn't lit up right now,
instructions.
but you can see like faintly the different buttons here.
Yeah.
But once you plug it in, you'll see that light up, right?
You wanna
Which my
try
wife
it?
is going to do right now. Let's see what it looks like. But it's pretty compact. It looks like it's not too heavy. And the food that you can make with this, healthy food, is absolutely awesome.
Okay, so I need to take this. Oh, there we go.
Wow.
So this is where your food's gonna
That's
go.
where your food goes. And this is not plastic.
No.
This is like, I mean, like Teflon almost.
This
What is
is
it?
dishwasher safe, so
Yeah.
it must be stainless steel, right?
Stainless steel. Wow, it
Click
sounds
back
like
in.
it's got good craftsmanship.
Yeah.
Bada boom, bada bing. And it snaps.
Oh.
Fancy
look at
schmancy.
that. I think.
This COSORI is pretty awesome.
Do we have another protective film here or no? No. Okay.
So do you click power?
So
That
the
power
power, and then, you know, if we're gonna, what we're gonna cook, do not touch. I just want to see if there's anything that we should do, because sometimes there are instructions like before using. Do not place anything on top of your air fryer.
Oh, so
this
you don't
gets
put anything
hot.
on top. So this gets really hot. Okay, good.
Yeah.
That's a good, I'm sure a lot of people have that question. Because you could put like,
Yeah.
some people might think you put like, I don't know, like fruit or a,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah, it really gets
basket.
really hot. You can make bread in here, which is like a trip.
wow.
I mean, you can make desserts. It's
That looks
crazy.
really easy
Okay, so
to
this is what
follow.
I'm looking for. Before first use, remove all packaging, place the air fryer on a stable, level, heat-resistant surface. When you're using it, you want it sort of away from the wall. Pull the handle, remove the baskets. Wash both baskets thoroughly using either a dishwasher
Oh, you gotta wash them first.
or
okay.
non-abrasive
Yeah, because they've been
sponge.
sitting in the box.
Yeah, wipe the inside and
Makes sense.
outside of the air fryer. Put the baskets back inside the air fryer. Okay,
Awesome.
so before we cook anything, I'm gonna do that.
Okay.
All right.
Highly, highly recommend the COSORI. We're going to do a bunch more on this and show you different types of food, but we are already super excited.